Jai Srimanarayana. 12th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Abhisandhayatu phalam dambhardham api chaiva yat ijyate bharatasreshtha tam yajñam vidhi rajasam. Om Do not perform divine activities for the sake of pride, to gain fame, and for some material benefit. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not perform divine activities for the sake of pride, to gain fame, and for some material benefit. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 344th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the Gopikas from Nandavraj, in order to get Sri Krishna Paramatma as their husband, they are all performing one vrata called Katyayani vrata. In that process, as a part of that vrata, Ramanul Prudduna Melukanchi Sakulan Randanchun Atmiya Namamulanjiri Padmakshunin Paduchu Yamuna Tiramu Cheraboyiri. As a part of that vratam, all the gopikas, they used to get early in the morning. They call each other with their beautiful names, and all together, while holding each other's hands, while singing Sri Krishna Paramatma's glory, they go to the banks of Yamuna, they take bath in that water of Yamuna, and like that, every day they are doing. One of those days, they all came to the banks of river Yamuna, Tire Nikshipya Vasamsi Krishnam Gayantyaha Vijahruhu Salile Muda. They kept all the gopikas, they kept all their clothes on the banks of the river Yamuna, and while singing Krishna Paramatma's divine glory, they all got into Yamuna river, and while enjoying, they are all taking their bath while singing about Krishna Paramatma. Then Krishna Paramatma came to know about that. Toya jana yanudu hari tana toya muvaralunu tanu dotenchenupa. Krishna Paramatma came to know about this. All the gopikas are doing their snanam in Yamuna river. Then he took all his friends and reached to that place of Yamuna river. Tat karma siddhaye Krishnaha Yogeswareswaraha tatra gataha. Krishna Paramatma, the one who is Yogeswareswara, he along with his friends reached over there to the place where all the gopikas are doing their snanam. Krishna Paramatma came down to bestow the benefit, the result of the vratam that gopikas have been doing. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 12th sloka. Abhisandhayatu phalam dambhardhamapi chaivayat ijyate bharata shrestha tam yajñam vidhi rajasam. Abhisandhayatu phalam dambhardhamapi chaivayat ijyate bharata shrestha tam yajñam vidhi rajasam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.